Schoolprints.com. I've never heard of them. Are they?
Hey, John and Matt here.
Hey, everybody.
And we're going to do a quick video today because a lot of our customers have been asking us, how do you get started with Schoolprints by Nations Photo Lab? Go to schoolprints.com.
Okay,
sign up for an account. Takes like 30 seconds to do that. And you download our online ordering software, ROES.
There you go.
ROES stands for Remote Order Entry System.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a great tool to...
Free, by the way.
Thank you. It's free. It's a great way to optimize your workflow. Mm-hmm. When placing orders. You can crop in there, you can create different designs, you can save templates, save your packages.
How do you have your packages entered? And when you get a little, if I remember correctly, once you get a little more advanced, you can do all your data entry and process from a spreadsheet. So if you've got a lot of... If
you're a school photographer or sports,
youth leagues are really good because you got a lot of data and you got to get all those fields lined up properly, like on the trader cards or anything like that.
And there's ways to automate that, which a lot of people don't realize that you can automate that process instead of all that manual data entry that you might have to do otherwise. So we can show you that. We're here to help. We also have other videos that talk about the things that we're referencing here. It's a very powerful tool, ROES. There's so much that you can do. And what's fun is, and what's exciting is when we first tell customers about how they can save their own packages and they've never seen that before, it absolutely, like, you hear them they get so excited about that.
They set up, we were just talking to a customer 2 days ago?
Yes. 2 days ago? She was out of Iowa. I think she was out of Iowa.
And she rebuilt her packages every time. And
she just started drag and drop. Yeah.
To see she was so happy.
We showed, what Matt is saying is we showed her, let's say you have one of your packages includes, an 8x10, 8 wallets, and 2 5x7s. She was taking an 8x10, clicking on that product, dragging and dropping the image, and going to the next one, dragging and dropping the image into her wallets. And we showed her how to make a package, which means you just create all of those in one screen, in one thing that you save as a favorite. You get to drag and drop, and then boom, it pops in to the template, and you can easily crop that all at once. Or if you've already done cropping,
5x7, slightly different ratios, So I guess I'll ask a question for them. Like,
cool.
How long is it going to take me to learn it? Like, I'm a busy photographer. I'm got so many things going on as a new photographer. Yeah. What's the barrier to entry here? I know it's free now, so that excites me.
Okay.
I don't have to spend any money on any software.
Yeah.
But
so that's true. That is a big barrier. We're like, we're talking about software and downloads, and I don't want to deal with that kind of thing. So great question. It's very, very easy learning curve. But like any software or anything new, the first time you try it or use it, it's going to be confusing like the first time you go in there and look at it. Mm-hmm. That's why we're here to help, and that's why we have plenty of videos.
This guy's an expert.
That you guys can check out. Thank you. Well, it's like 15 years. I don't know.
He's been using ROES a long time, but he knows it inside and out.
And I don't know at all. It's like Photoshop. Like you uncover like these like beautiful workflows that you didn't know about, and then all of a sudden you keep stepping it up to the next level. So yeah, to answer that question, it's at first, to be honest, it's a little like, where do I go? What do I do? But after the first time you've used it, or you watch a video, or talk to us, or customer service, you'll be an expert in no time. So it's very easy.
I've been using it 10 years, so I mean, I would say that's accurate.
All right, appreciate that. And once you do that, like you save the packages, you don't have to do that again. You just keep them in there, and we'll show you other ways to optimize your workflow. And I think what we've seen, the most exciting thing about that is how much time that is saved photographers from, because everyone wants to be out on the shoot and booking jobs. They don't want to be in front of the computer placing orders.
Right.
So this is a way to cut out hours of your post-production time.
Yeah.
So to recap,
saver.
Yeah, we're going to sign up for an account, 30 seconds, it's free, and download ROES. Again,
30 seconds.
30
so
seconds.
That's a minute.
A minute. And I have a video, it's funny you said that. I have a video that says how to sign up and order or download ROES in a minute.
Well, is it going to show up over there?
One here and one there.
In front of me too?
Let's do
I'm
one.
Excited.
Yeah, we'll do like 2 thumbnails right here, I think.
That's awesome.
I'll have to go on YouTube and do a little push it around.
It pops up. Okay.
So if you subscribe,
it should be right here,
though, right?
Somewhere in here.
Yes. If they subscribe, they'll see new videos and more of our videos. And Matt does a lot of videos on photography techniques and tips in the field.
Yep. And I think we just finished a series on packages, how you set up the order form, some brief overviews. We'll continue to deep dive in that, but to help the new photographer started, and even the veteran photographer on maybe something like you never thought about it in that way, and how to position the order form and how to build out packages. So John, I've heard this question: school prints. Who is that best for?
Great question.
As a photographer, am I small? Am I large?
Yeah.
How does that work?
Well, just like Nation's Photo Lab, our philosophy has always been no matter if you're someone just starting off and you have one job booked, we're a great lab for you. School Prints is a great lab for you. Or if you're someone that's been doing it for 30 years, you photograph 300 schools or something like that, we're still an ideal fit for you. It would be good it's good for anyone who's just starting out, and it's good for anybody who's been shooting for a long time, honestly.
Yeah,
and the pricing is what I think really is exciting
to people, very good.
Because when you order these high volume packages and you're ordering, let's say 3 sheets per kid, and you have hundreds of kids, the 87 cent per unit pricing really helps out. Mm-hmm. It helps the school, it helps the leagues, and it helps you, of course, as the photographer. So that's how I'd say School Prints is ideal for. I've seen the type of photographers that we see using the software would be sports photographers, school photographers, preschool, daycare, even like martial arts, figure skating, dance studios, all those. Anything that's a package.
Any type of organization, organized photographs with groups, teams, events, something where you have a lot of records. I think where 20 kids, 40 kids, 100 kids. We talk about some of those large lists that are over 1,000 kids. That's what this is for.
Good point. Now that we know how to go to schoolprints.com, sign up, download ROES, go there now. So easy. Oh, and by the way, there's a 20% off your first order code that'll pop up on the site.
Oh, that's a good deal.
Make sure that you pay attention to that and write that code down. 20% off means 70-cent 8x10s on your first order.
You can't beat that.
Thanks again for watching, guys, and we look forward to bringing you guys more content real soon.
Awesome.
Have a great day.
Y'all take care.